Welcome to another Simple Dad TikTok and Snapchat tutorial. In this video, I'll show you how to create this girl filter video you see on TikTok. If you're new here, then please subscribe to see more videos like this and don't forget to like this video. So this is a new trend going around on TikTok where basically you turn yourself into a girl. If you're a girl, watch my other video where I show you how you can turn from a girl to a guy. So let me show you how to get this filter. So this filter is not on TikTok. You can only see it on Snapchat. So let's go over to Snapchat, open up your Snapchat app. Next, you want to tap on search here at the bottom. Now search for My Twin. Now in the search results, you're looking for this icon here, My Twin from Snapchat. So go ahead and tap on it. This will now analyze your face and will change your face from a boy to a girl. As you can see, my face has turned into a girl. Now you can record your video. Cool. Now once that's recorded, go ahead and press save here at the bottom left. That will save this video to your iPhone or your Android phone. Next, you want to open up your TikTok app. Now you want to tap on the plus sign here at the bottom. Then you want to tap on upload and then upload your video which you've downloaded from Snapchat. Tap next. Now here, it may work for some people and for some people it may not work. You can change the voice of this person. So you can press the down arrow, tap on audio editing, and then from here you can choose the voice if it allows you to. As you can see, for me, it does not allow it. So I cannot choose any voice. But if it does for you, then go ahead and change the voice. Now add your text and stickers and then tap on next. Then add your caption and then post it on TikTok. So that is how to create the girl filter videos which you see on TikTok. If this video is helpful, then please subscribe to see more videos like this. If you have any other questions, then please do let me know in the comment section down below. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.